How do you make a new Tinder account when banned? If any day you are a Tinder user and your previous Tinder account was banned due to some of the reasons and you would like to create a new Tinder account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Tinder application on your mobile device, and after you find the very Tinder application, you have to tap on that. Now, after you tap on the very Tinder application, you can see an interface like this. Now, you can log into your Tinder through any of the modes. That may be with your phone, that may be with your Google, and that may be with your Facebook. Now, if any day you had created the previous Tinder account with your phone number and it is already banned and you would like to create it from the new, you can go to the option of the login it with Google. Now, after you tap on the option of the login with Google, now you have to tap on the very Google account from which you have not created any of the Tinder account and which is not banned, and then tap on that. Now, after you tap on that, now you can see that the next interface like this will appear. Now, after the next interface like this will appear, you have to tap on a phone number there. Now, the very phone number should be such a phone number from which you have not created a very kind of Tinder account before, and if the Tinder account is not banned like well. After that, you have to tap on the number like this and then go to the option of continue. Now, after you tap on the option of continue, a very code will be sent to your very number. Now, you have to tap on the code, and after that, you will be sent to a next interface where you have to tap on your very name there and all of your details and all of your credentials, and you can create a new account on Tinder. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.